Lovely people, I'm Baby Zenimado and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the thumbnail and the title, I am going to be doing a room tour. So yes, I know if you've been watching my previous videos, you would have known, whatever that goes on here. But today I want to officially take you guys through, okay? So guys, sit back, relax, and let's enjoy this experience. I'm going to be showing you guys through this, taking you guys through every step of it. So that's just my room in a nutshell, okay? So guys, let's get through this. But first, check me out. How do I look? Happy New Year, guys. So yes, this is my first video for the year 2024. Happy New Year. Today is, I don't know when you'll be watching this video, but today is the 1st of January 2024. And yes, I'm super excited. I'm super grateful to the Almighty God for sparing my life and the lives of every family member of mine and my friends as well, and every other human being that's alive today. We give thanks and appreciation to the Almighty God. Okay, so yes, I'm going to be taking you guys through this room. I know you guys, most of you know this room by now, but yes, officially, as I said, I'm going to take you guys through. Super excited and want to share it with you guys. Okay, check me out. Let's get right into it, guys. So from outside, my room is actually the first room that you meet. And then, yeah, let's get into it. So this is my room, as you can see, like in a nutshell. Yeah, I'm sorry for this, Christmas lights still being here, or Christmas trees, because we are still in the festive season. Today is actually the 1st of January 2024. That's why you are still seeing the tree. I'm going to take it down pretty soon. But yeah, aside that, basically this is just my room in a nutshell. Okay, so let's get through it. I don't know where to start. Okay, let's start from the very beginning. Once you enter, this is what you see, the door over there, and I usually hang my coat over there. I think that's why they even provided something like a holder kind of, so that you can put your coat on it, because at times you might come in and maybe your coat is wet or something, or then it's easier to also pick it once you want to go out. So yes, then the university also have this fire action notice right at the entrance, that you can read through and be aware. Yeah, and then this is my switch for both the room light and the bathroom light. So it's just at the entrance once you enter. And then I also have these butterfly designs. If you watched my decorate with me video, you would have seen how I placed them there. And honestly, I don't know what this is. It's in my room, but I don't know what it is. I've never tried, asking or trying to use it. So yeah, basically, yeah. And then I do have my heater, or whatever they call it. Yeah, heater right at the entrance as well, because sometimes it really makes the room hot. Probably that's why they placed it at the entrance. I really don't know, but yeah, it's just at the entrance. So once you enter, you see my coat, you see my butterfly design, you see this radiator or the heater. And then this is my shoe rack. If you also watched my decorate with me video, you would have seen this shoe rack, how I was able to build it, because it wasn't like this when I brought it. And I arranged some of my shoes on it. Everything couldn't fit, so yeah, I just managed it like this, because it's really small. I mean, it's cheap, so probably that's why it's small like that. And then yeah, I also have this Christmas tree, as you guys saw in my decorate with me video. In fact, I'll be taking it down pretty soon, pretty soon. So yeah, basically that's it for this side. And then let's move to the bathhouse.
So this is my beautiful bathhouse, and it is my personal favorite in this room. So this is my shower gel. As you all know, I do make shower gel. I used to sell them, but now I'm using some to bath. I'm going to probably think about that later. So my beautiful shower curtain, and see what I placed on my seat. Isn't it lovely? I covered the seat, so that you feel comfortable when sitting. I do love it there so much. And yes, I also have these tissue that I can use, toilet tissues, or wipes. And I also have the regular tissue under here as well, and all of my cleaning stuff for my bathhouse and my window. Another tissue here and another one hanging there. So yeah, so far so good. Let me admire myself small as usual in the mirror. So yes guys, I do have this amazing cupboard here with the mirror at the surface or on the surface. So when you open it, this is what you get. I actually try to place in all of my stuffs here, so that when I get into the washroom, I can get everything that I want there. So my shampoo, my conditioner, my face mask, my hair mask, every other thing. I have another shower gel here, Imperial Leather, and every other. I also have my clay mask, like just a whole lot of skincare, hair care stuffs. Yes, let me admire myself. Ta-da! So I have this ventilator in my bathhouse and my light and this other notice from the university as well to clean our bathhouse and all of those stuffs. So yes, let me admire myself again. So that's my mirror in my bathhouse that I usually use, when brushing my teeth or doing my skincare and stuff like that. So this is my sink area and this is my hand wash. I also have a bath wash here, and that's my cold and hot water section. Yes, it can get really hot and really cold as well. So I do have these things here that I can hang either towel or underwear or whatever. So yes, let me admire myself again. So this is my beautiful bathhouse. So let's move to another section.
So guys, it's time for the closet. So this is my closet and I want to take you guys through as usual.
My main closet, I have two sections. So this one section of it with my clothes. So let's get through them.
So everything here is arranged in a way that's, when I'm going to class or going anywhere, I want something to wear, I can easily get it. So my jeans section, my blouse or top section, my African wear section, my nightie section, and then my tight section, my bed sheet and pillowcases section, as well as my gym, my gloves, and my heart section. So this is the other side of my closet. It's actually, I do have a coat here, my bra, and yeah, my work attire. At the same time, I do have some other shoes here that couldn't fit on the shoe rack. I placed them here since the shoe rack is a bit small. So yeah, basically that's it for my at the other side of the closet.
Let's move to the upper part of my closet.
And the top bit of it is actually where I pack my sweaters. Yes. So my coat is behind the door. All of my coats, I have 3 coats over there. And then my sweaters are all packed here. So these are my sweaters. Yeah. And this, as you can see, is the bed. So that's my duvet. And yeah, I laid it nicely. My pillowcases, everything is set. And guys, that's my design. If you watch my decorate with me, you will see how I place those stickers over there. And this one as well. And I do have 2 windows. This is another window for me. And this, I think I do have 2 windows because I'm at the edge. Like once you enter, my room is the first room you see. Probably that's why. And I do like this duvet. It's really thick. You can turn it around and stuff like that. So yeah, that's my bed. I've been cozling around.
So guys, I also have another cupboard under my mattress and I want to open it for you guys to see. So that's the cupboard and let's open it and see. Ta-da! So yes, I do pack my food stuffs here or my provisions. Let me put it that way. So my rice, my spaghetti, my noodles, my hot pepper, my hot chocolate drink. Like as you can see guys, all of my food stuffs, I basically pack them here, even my seasoning. I also have my yellow gari here and I do have Tom Brown. as well. That's my Tom Brown. I actually have two of it. The two containers you see there are filled with Tom Brown. I hardly cook them. So basically these are my provisions that I usually cook. I also have some in the kitchen, but these ones I've really not touched them. Let me just say, because the kitchen, the cupboard I have there isn't that big, so I'm saving some here. So yes, basically that's it. Let's move to the other side. I also have another cupboard under the bed. The space in this room is massive. I do like there's places you can keep your stuff. So yes, this place is basically my books, my pens, my school items, and then I do have my hand cream, my combs. I also have my vitamins, my just random things, my nose marks, just random things. I even have power bank in there. Yeah, my cream, my pomade is also here as well. So as I said, just random things. So guys, this show I brought it from Ghana, and since I didn't really try it there when I bought it, so I brought it here and I decided to use it, and I realized that it can't spray, like it's stiff. It cannot, you cannot get anything. Even though it's filled, you can feel it that there's something inside, but you can't use it. And all of it, I bought three. I've not been able to use it. Can you imagine? And the person sold it to me. It's so sad. So I don't even know what to do with them. They are just inside the cupboard here because it can't spray. It's so stiff that you can't do anything. So yeah, basically that's just everything in my other cupboard. And yeah, let's move to another section of the room.
So I do have these little cupboards right under the table as well that I pack my stuffs in. So let's check it out. So this is my underwear section. This is my makeup section. Makeup and hair stuffs, earring as well, as you can see. So yes, basically just my little makeup section, my pomade, my hair pomade, and all those stuffs. So yes, my hair care and skincare. Let me just make it like that. Yeah. This is my personal favorite, my snack section. I do love this a lot, guys. Yes, I do have a lot of amazing stuffs here. So that's my crackers, my ginger biscuit, my oat biscuit, my Kit Kat, my Nkati cake. I don't know if you guys, if you are Ghanaian, you probably know what I'm talking about. My Oreos, as you can see, my peanut butter, my interior. So yes, it's just my snack section. I do have my how do they call that stuff, my cornflakes down there.
So this is what I will refer to as interior. That's granite and corn, and this my oat. And yes, I also have my white chocolate cookies. It's very yummy. I really love it. I have 5 pieces in there. And then my Kit Kat. Yes, let's close it and move somewhere else.
So this is my table, and I do have this my little bin. I don't really put anything inside though. It's just sitting there. Probably I might put something in later on, but for now it's just empty. And my table, that's my little lamp. It's really bright, and I do use it at night, when I'm studying like that. And then you can stretch it. It can come here and go back. It's really long, so you can stretch it to wherever you want. So if I want to stay on my bed and study, I will just pull it towards me. And this is my water. I do like drinking a lot of water, so I usually just fill my bottle and put it by the head of my bed, so that whenever I want to drink, I can just drink. And yeah, that's my window. As you can see, it's a bright day outside and it's dry. Today it didn't rain. And I do have these stickers on it, like a message from the university, kind of. That sticker. And then I do have this other sticker. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. Locking your doors and windows. whenever you leave your room, prevent theft. So yeah, that's just my room. And then under this table, I do have my shampoo and my conditioner. As you know probably by now that I used to make my own shampoo and conditioner back home. So this is the conditioner, Sewa Naturals. And then this is my shampoo for my natural hair and anti-dandruff as well. And I also make shea butter. So this is my shea butter, organic one, no additive. Yeah, so this is the suitcases I came with, 3 of it. If you guys watched my relocation video, you will recognize it. And this is the bag I usually carry around, you know, for class or wherever. And that's my other trash can. So basically that's what I have under this table. And then this bag with, so that this black thing you are looking at is actually my dirty clothes basket. But because I don't have any dirty clothes, because I washed not long ago, so that's why you see it folded in there. So far so good. And I do have my laptop right by the head of my bed so that I can just pick it up and start to study. And I have these switches by the head of my bed, you know, like it will make you super comfortable that you wouldn't have to get up and go plug anything. It's just by the head of my bed, so I can just plug it. And then yeah, this very comfortable chair that you could sit in to study if you don't want to lie on your bed. I do like it. Sometimes I'll just sit on it and ride around, you know, maybe I want to take something behind. Instead of getting up, I'll just sit on the chair and ride it backwards. So yeah, so far so good. That's just my room in a nutshell.
So this is my beautiful room at my student accommodation at the University of York. Isn't this room lovely and cozy?
Okay guys, so that's my little room tour. Thank you so much for going through with me. So we do share a kitchen. In case you are wondering where my kitchen is, we share a kitchen amongst 8 flatmates. We do have our fridges there, our cooking utensils, and some of my cooking stuffs, you know, ingredients. I do have it there as well. So yes, basically that's it. A school accommodation, you know, nothing fancy, nothing big. So that's it. Thank you so much for going through this. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Subscribe to join the family. Please don't forget to turn on your notification bell, so anytime I post a new video, you get a notification to come watch it. Happy New Year. Let this year be a prosperous one for all of us and a successful year as well. And may the good Lord take us through the year successfully. Thank you so much once again. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.